Students of class 4th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 4 part 1, that is editing in MS Word. Let's start. First of all, let's see what is MS Word. MS Word is a word processing software that is used for creating documents. MS Word is the most popular word processing software. Features of MS Word. In MS Word, we can change the existing text. We can copy and move text. Third point, we can check the spellings of words. Fourth, we can count number of words in a document. Fifth, we can find and replace text easily. Sixth, we can insert pictures and tables in the document. Last, we can preview the document before printing. These are the main features of MS Word. Let's move ahead. Parts of Word 2010 window. You can see over here. You can see over here, top of the window, title bar is there. At the top of the MS Word window, title bar is there. In title bar, it shows the name of a document. You can see over here, document 1 Microsoft Word, means it shows name of the document and name of the software. Okay. In the left side, you can see quick access toolbar, and bottom of the quick access toolbar there is a file tab, and there is a ruler at the top and left side of the window. In this page you can see a black vertical line that is called cursor. At the bottom you can see status bar. The main white portion where you can type, this is called document area. A scroll bar. A scroll bar is used to move page up and down, and there is a ribbon. In ribbon there are so many commands or group of commands are there. Let's see these all points in detail. Parts of Word 2010 window. Parts of Word 2010 window. First part, title bar. Title bar displays the name of the document and the application name. Quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar gives access to frequently used commands. Frequently used command means there are some commands or some buttons which we need to use again and again many times, so they are on the top of the window in quick access toolbar. File tab. File tab displays menus. File tab displays menu for file related actions. Just like with the help of file tab, you can open a new file, you can open a existing file, you can save a file after working on it. Document area. Area used for typing text. Okay. Cursor. Blinking vertical line at text insertion location. Fine. Ruler. Ruler has horizontal and vertical ruler that shows the page size, margin, indent, etc. So two types of rulers are there: horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. Status bar. Status bar provides information about the document. Means how many page you have used, how many words you have typed. These all information we can see on status bar. Scroll bar. Scroll bar is used to scroll up and down or left and right in a document. Fine. Now next topic is selecting with mouse and selecting with the keyboard. See, when we are working in MS Word, we need to do editing or we need to perform formatting. So before performing any editing or formatting, we need to select text. How we can select text? We can select text by using mouse or keyboard. First, take a look how we can select text with mouse. First point, if you want to select a word, what you need to do? You need to double click on that word with the help of mouse so that that word will be selected. If you want to select a line, what you need to do? You need to click in front of the line, keeping the pointer in the left margin. Fine. You need to bring your pointer at the beginning of the line and there is a white margin space, so you need to click over there and that line will be selected. Okay. If you want to select a paragraph, what you need to do? You need to click the left mouse button thrice anywhere in that paragraph. Means you need to press left mouse button 3 times. Means triple click you need to do. When you perform this action, triple click, the whole paragraph will be selected. If you want to select a sentence, click the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key. You need to press control key on keyboard and just click on the particular line. That sentence will be selected. Okay. Now selecting text using keyboard. How can we select text using keyboard? Let's see. If you want to select a letter towards right side of the cursor, now what you need to do? You need to press shift key along with right arrow key. Okay. In the same way, if you want to select a letter towards left side of the cursor, you need to press shift key along with left arrow key. Okay. Now if you want to select a word towards right side of the cursor, so you need to press control plus shift plus right arrow key. Okay. And in the same way, if you want to select a word towards left of the cursor, you need to press control plus shift plus left arrow key. Okay, I hope you have understood. So these are the selecting action we can use with the help of mouse and keyboard. Okay, that's all from this part 1. We will discuss more in detail in part 2. Okay, I hope whatever we have learned in part 1 chapter 3 you have understood. Thank you very much.